Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export your project as GIF in CapCut. So by default in CapCut, if you are exporting your project, it will save as MP4 or as a video format. But if you want to, you can also change it into a GIF. And through this video, I'm going to show you how. So after you finish your edits, don't click on the arrow at the top first, but click on this resolution box and you'll see this option between video and GIF. So you need to go to the GIF option, and here there will be three quality option that you can select, but if you are on the only on the free CapCut, you can only use the standard one. So I'm going to just use the standard, and after that click on the arrow up, and just like that the projects will be saved as a GIF. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.